We are going to be unboxing the new HP King AirPods, which you can see right here on my hand. And I'm also going to share my first impression about this device. So let's dive straight into the video. Alright, so let's go ahead and unbox the new Age Beat King. And as you can see right here, this is the case and it comes with ANC. The ANC noise reduction is about minus 25 dB and comes with Bluetooth version 5.0. So let's quickly unbox this. I've done a quick unboxing using YouTube Shorts, so I'm just going to show you what's inside the box. So opening the box, you're going to see the new Age Beat King itself, and you can also see other information about the AirPods on this left side of opening the box. Alright, you're going to see Bluetooth version 5.0, touch controls, ANC, dust proof, sweat proof, and voice assistant. Right, so opening this glassy look plastic, then we are greeted with the new Age itself. Let's put this here. Then coming to this other small compartment right here, you're going to find other accessories for the device. You have ear tips, and I think for this particular earpods, new Age actually did well by giving us extra tips compared to other earpods I've reviewed. And this is the user cable. The user cable is very short this time. I don't know why they actually did this. Then this is the user manual. All right, this is the user manual itself, and I think that's pretty much it in the box. So there's nothing else in the box. So now coming to the Beat King itself, let me take this off. All right, so as you can see right here, this is what it looks like. This is what the Beat King look like. So if you can see the design looks more like the Oraimo FreePods 4, and on the left hand side you're going to see the charging case, sorry, the charging ports. Then at the bottom you're going to see the model, the inputs, and so other things. Then opening it, see, it opens more like the more like Oraimo FreePods 4, and you can bring it out. This is what it looks like. This is what the earpods it look like. As you can tell, this is the left ear, then this is the right ear. So as you can see right here, I'm going to make a well-detailed review about this earpod. So make sure you subscribe to the channel so you get to see that particular video. And I think that's all for this unboxing. And like I said, for my first impression, it looks like the Oraimo FreePods 4. I think I'm actually make a comparison between this and the Oraimo FreePods 4. So that's it, guys, for this video. If you actually enjoyed the video, kindly subscribe. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.